Hello guys, this is Andrew from Tech Review. I'm gonna comparing this iPad here, the Magic Keyboard and a Smart Keyboard Folio. So here I'm gonna first talk about a Smart Keyboard Folio. I'm gonna unbox it for you guys. So I've been using this already, and yeah. So this is the keyboard, and I bought it from Amazon. It's an Amazon warehouse. It's cheaper, and then when I open it up, it has the booklets and everything. Unbox it. I used it multiple times. I used it quite a lot of times, and it's quite a great keyboard, but it's connected magnetically to my keyboard from my iPad. You don't have that much of viewing angles in this one. It's not that bad, but sometimes if you want to watch from your bed, it's hard to get in. Yeah, it's a pretty solid materials here. It's not that good, obviously. It has a polyurethane thing. It's quite fingerprint magnets and basically everything you have into it, and it's quite gets dirty. And also you have the ability to flip over, so you can use your iPad as a tablet mode if you want to. So I bought the new Magic Keyboard from Apple just today. I drive 75 miles away, and it's quite a long time. It's quite a long trip, but I think it's quite worth it. So this is the booklets from basically the Smart Keyboard Folio. It's just it obviously doesn't have the Apple stickers. Yeah. So I bought it around $150 when it was in Amazon warehouse, and I think it's quite a deal for me. And then here's a new one. I bought it from Apple Modesto, and then I I want to grab it out and then try to unbox it in front of you guys, so it's easier to see. Which is this one here is it's a 12.9-inch one. I think it's pretty heavy. When you holding the box, it's quite a different thing. I mean, if you hold the Smart Keyboard and the Magic Keyboard, it's obviously different in terms of weight and everything. Yeah, so I want to unbox it. Here's the back of it, and then here's the top. You can unpeel the peel there, and then trying to grab from the top and then from the bottom. You can use always a cutter, but I don't have it, so it's just with a hand. It's easier. Here you can see the box. It's pretty simple. There's nothing special with it. It's just a normal case, and then when you open it up, it's obviously it's gonna be the case in there. It's a quite a different materials in terms of the box. It has the new Magic Keyboard is more durable, I think, since it's more expensive, of course. And this one here, it's straight out of the box, so you get your Magic Keyboard. That's it, and the booklet itself. But there's nothing special with it. There's no Apple stickers. There's no everything. So I believe there's nothing special with it. Yeah. So here's the Magic Keyboard. When I first touch it, it's the same materials that the Smart Keyboard Folio used. You cannot differentiate it. It's the same. It's not almost the same. What I'm talking about. So here you can see the Magic Keyboard itself. When I first open it, it's really strong. The hinge, the everything, it's really strong. It's something that you see as a good materials. Since yeah, it's $350. As you purchase it on Apple or anywhere else, is at $350 if you can find a good deal. But I don't think so right now because it's sold out everywhere in the city. So yeah, here you can see the keyboard. It's a full size keyboard. It's a 1 millimeter travel. It's a very good keyboard. And then here you can see there's like the dirt when it came with it. So that's what the problem is. So here's the USB-C charging port pass through. So basically you can do it charging through there, but it's slower than your basically iPad's charging thing. Here the keyboard is quite clicky. I like it so much better than the old one. The old one is very bad. I mean, it's not that bad, but it is bad compared to this one. Here you can just connect it magnetically as well. Just attach the iPad to the keyboard and that's it. You're good to go. It's connected. It also has a backlit and everything. It's a pretty great idea to have a backlit. I searched it up online. It's not taking a lot of battery from your iPad. I think it's only like 3 or 4% of your iPad, well, from 0 to 100%. And the typing experience is amazing. It has the same keyboard as a 20 16-inch MacBook Pro and the newest 13-inch MacBook Pro lineup. It has the best keyboard in the MacBook Pro ever, in my opinion. This one here, it's the best one too. The trackpad, everything. You can adjust the keyboard lighting here. You can do swipe. You have to do it here. You can't do it on your keyboard because there's no button for it. But this one here is amazing. Here you can see the keyboard. It's pretty bright actually. It's 100% bright. You don't have to worry about it. It's the, it's the best one. In here I'm trying to type it on Word. I do have the pencil, but I don't want to use it. I'm just using my hand. It's easier. I mean, it has I mean, the best typing experience I can get from an iPad. This one here, I wish you can tilt it a little bit more to the back so you can a little bit rest when you're on your lap. I think it's easier when you can tilt it a little bit more, since it's kind of straight up, but it's just okay. You're not gonna have to worry about that. It's gonna be good. Yeah, the materials, everything. I mean, the hinge, it's quite pretty strong, and the magnet itself, it's very strong, and it's kind of hard when you want to open it and then close it and then open again, since it has pretty strong hinge that you might also need two hands for that. Here from the side, you can't tilt it to the back like you have the on a Smart Keyboard Folio. You can't use it as a tablet mode. You have to pull the tablet out and basically use it as a normal tablet, because this case here can't basically do like a flip over folio. That's one of that's what I mean, the worst case to me. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.